2 trials have been carried out now, convictions of 13 Somali men, and it related to the 10 victims who were all aged between 13 and 17 at the time. Now, the first trial happened earlier this year. The second one, the convictions came in yesterday of 7 men, and the majority of those convictions related to just one victim, the girl they call Girl A, and I can give you an example of some of the crimes carried out against her. She first started a relationship when she was a child with a man called Mohammed Jamali, and at the age of 13 he began essentially sharing her with his friends, passing her around, and she was then raped on several occasions. Police, for example, picked up some CCTV of another 2 men in contact with Jamali called Saeed Zakaria and Joseph Abdirazak, who actually booked a hotel room so that they could take this girl there and then take turns raping her. Now, on that occasion, what happened is Zakaria picked her up, took her to a flat where an unknown man raped her. He then took her across the city where he then raped her on 2 occasions, and then Abdirazak also raped her. We also understand that Jamali also passed her onto his brother. But in total, 10 victims across these 2 trials subjected to rape. There are also offences of sexual activity with a child, trafficking and inciting child prostitution. Now, this has been a huge amount of work by the police. 18 months, 700 statements. We know the first 6 men who've already been found guilty have been given more than 70 years in prison. The other 7 will be sentenced tomorrow.